Hello, right now I'm in Dahab. This is a small village close to Sharm el-Sheikh in Egypt in Sinai desert area. So don't worry, I'm gonna make a separate video focusing more on a little bit more positive things and an awesome travel video about our trips here in the Sinai desert area, which is a great place, by the way. So I used to live here like 20 years ago, and now the place has changed so much. Last time I visited here was like 2010, and this place has been built so much that I don't even recognize the place to be the same village. Anyway, I was thinking that I would speak to you about something which is not on the mainstream media, because there has been some incidents that have been happening during autumn and early winter this year. So in Yemen, there are these rebellious groups. They are in Finnish, they're called like Houthi, but I don't know how you pronounce that in English or what are they called in English, but there are these rebellious groups. And as a lot of mainstream media has been talking about the ship attacks, so at the Red Sea, those groups have been attacking some ships. But what the mainstream media doesn't talk about are the drone attacks that are targeted to Israel, of course, because of their frustration, because of what Israel is doing in Gaza. So those groups get frustrated. And so they've been targeting some drones with explosives towards Israel. And so the military forces here have been shooting them down to that ocean. And one of those happened in like a couple of weeks ago. And yesterday there was another one. And there was also another one earlier this winter that hit in a city called Nuweiba and Taba. They're not so far from here, relatively close. But so anyway, yesterday we heard this loud noise, like as if an aircraft had been taking off. But the airport of Sharm el-Sheikh is at least 40 kilometers from here, so it cannot be, the sound could not have been an aircraft. And after that, we heard a really loud bang, and a friend of mine managed to take that on video. There was something in the sky, like a drone with explosives or something, and they exploded that, and they just land to the ocean. But so this is really weird because nobody actually knows, like everyone says a different thing. Like our neighbor said that it was also a rocket hitting somewhere in the ground here in Dahab, and that a school had been shaking. But then again, the people on the streets, they're just saying that it's nothing to worry about. It's just some drones that they're dropping to the sea. But the funny thing is that we've been looking for news about this from everywhere. I've been checking BBC, I've been checking a lot of medias in Finland, and none of them talk about this. They're just not interested. And also, I could not reach Al Jazeera yesterday with my phone. It blocks it for some reason. So there is not really any kind of official information that we could get. So as a journalist, I'm not able to really investigate this much other than talking to people and to report to what I see and what I hear. But there are absolutely no medias that would be interested about reporting about this. So that's why I chose to do this video. But I will upload another video later when I get back to Finland. So I will have some time to edit that, and I'll put some really nice pictures about Dahab and how it is today.